station, Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for Go TV. And this now the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show. As in a heart, every Monday go reach Friday, don't turn to Christmas from 10 to 11. Sake of say, all the topic where they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go drop them down, give you license to chook mouth inside, talk them the way when the team be you for body, so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugo Chukwudi, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well on top of any political matter when they discuss. As in the heart.
Yes, good morning, our beautiful viewers. Welcome to Thursday edition of that Ogbonge program where they do it, where they informate now, where they sunshine out with political informate. And we'll be waiting with the name of the program, As in the Heart. And then on today's matter, we will look into something we did very, very, very important. Because we as Nigerians and we as people where they live, where they work out for street at least, we always crave for waiting for law, make it they do it, make it they protect us. And we get one Ogbonge guest. So we go look into issues that concern law and how they take and provide at least security for Nigerians generally. We go open our phone line when that time reach, so that we go also feel contribute for the matter at least. Make we know how to go take rub minds together to know how to go take move this country forward. My name never to change. My name now Nkubi, and this now As in the Heart.
On top of As in the Heart today, we dey discuss police na your friend, true or false. I dey very sure say as some people don't hear this topic, some of them go shout Jesus because it be like say this thing they fear plenty people inside our Obodo Nigeria, and we don't carry person when sabi well when it concern issue when they affect police and the Nigerian people. And it go chook mouth for inside this discussion. We deal with the PPRO of the Lagos State Police Force Command. In name na Oga Joe or for Oga Joe. Welcome to As in the Heart.
Thank you very much.
Oga Joe, welcome to our strong political program for Pidgin. You get one tradition we get here. Normally, when we invite a guest, we normally do it. We normally extend hand of friendship. So that once we start to enter the person no go say and say, blast this people, carry cool, come meet me. So make we shake you, make we know.
No problem.
So
Oga Joe, your hands off too. You know, say most times we go look police people and people say their hands strong. Maybe because of the things where we say that they collect or say they be. But you are welcome to As in the Heart. We go emphasize them again. Say Oga Joe, now the police public relations officer. Based on say any information we get to do with the Nigerian police for Lagos State, and based on the way when it be saying not reach one level, we don't know things. Anything we get to do with police for inside Nigeria too, he go fit chook mouth for inside. Now why we don't carry and come and we go discuss this particular issue. Oga Joe, make we go straight to the point. I go just ask you this one, make you talk your own before we can start the question. Number one, people they talk say police now your friend. I want make you, especially when they go church, you know, make you talk am. Whether this thing not true or they talk and make it be like say they talk am.
We don't go beyond. We don't pass say police be a friend. We be a friend well, and as you be a friend, if you get friend, we know they help you. Because Englishman say a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Exactly.
So we want to make people know say police is not just your friend. It is a friend in need. So that when you get problem, you go remember say there is police. So that because of that, we can't add say police is your friend and helper.
So you don't pass police is your friend. I don't enter police is your friend and helper.
Yes.
Make we just leave am for there. Now you don't talk am already say police not just be your friend, they be also be your friend and helper.
Yes.
And make we come begin to discuss the questions we carry come today. Question number one. People get perception of the Nigerian police force. And if we ask 10 out of every, if we ask 10 Nigerians, if at least 8 go look say police. Some of them go rather go meet other people before they meet police. Some of them go meet pastor first for protection before he meet police. And this one na because of say wetin they think say police people they do. I go like make you just you go do am. Just somehow just explain. Make people really understand. Say one, police self na human being. And number two, police no go help you if you no want make him help you.
No say this thing where people they talk say police bad. And the thing this as people they talk it they help
This bad perception.
These bad people, these criminals, they use them well. Uh-huh. If you see a criminal where they are domot, and he say, if I go tell police now, say this man criminal, police go tell him, and he go come kill me, and he go make that a criminal. The criminal go they brag, they go, they do intent. So this thing where they talk, say, make people know they see police as bad people. People no one appreciate them well. Because if people understand how this thing they help these criminals, and because when you arrest these people now, where we think, say, they too strong, they too big. Like yesterday when we paraded some of them, if you see them as they there, even one of them was, they said they were 4, and we arrested 2. He say, police, now don't do this work well. Don't say, not do well. For the rest of 4 of us at the same time.
The criminal,
they talk. He say, we not do this work well. You say we done well. We arrest 4 of them. We can't ask them how we not doing well. He say, we did there 4 now. Only 2 of them we can't arrest. They understand. So this thing where people they talk say, if you say make police not work today. If say police say, as they know they pay us well, as they know they pay us salary, make we no work today. You no go there for this office today.
Not true, somehow.
You no go even come out your house. So, but when they manage, they make this thing work. Instead of people to say, okay, how we go make police stand for ground, they do this work. Everybody, they say, the problem where we get in our police, the problem where we get in our police. How police be a problem? You know, they talk of the criminal, where they ravage, where they kill police. Yesterday, for Lagos alone, if you don't read them for this paper now, over 295 policemen were killed. Where did they do work? If say police know they work, are you getting it? Hey, all these people now, therefore don't push all of us. Come up for this place now. So with the type people, make they know they talk, say
police na bad people.
Police na bad people. Police na bad people.
Oga Joe, make I bring her from this angle. We know, see, yes, police they try their best to ensure that they bring law and order for society. And we also bring them. We sure you notice one of the reasons why people go look and say, police somehow make not to gun body with them. You notice everything they cause on that because of say you get some cases where we say something will happen. If police come for the site of the accident or site of everything happen, instead of make you first ask question to say who and who be the people who they behind or who be the person who cause this thing, so that you could quickly do it and say now this person you they restrict your arrest to. You just say everybody where they airport and even passerbys. You go pack everybody and say all of you are under arrest. And then you know, say Nigerians are people who say, if you don't, maybe you know, go on get stay for yourself. And once they don't even implicate you, say, you, even when you know, say no do something, they can't pack you, join people, then still they suspect. You know, this is now one of the reasons why people go talk, say, police, no to the trust.
This one where they talk now, this one where you talk now, it is within they call international best practice.
International best
practice, yes. If they commit offense for this Wazobia TV now, and you come, are you getting it? And you don't know the person who commit the offense. You know, because not before this place, you go to ask question. It is not for this Wazobia FM premises. You go to ask question, who did this, who did not do this.
So you have to pack everybody.
Not be pack everybody. You get people where you are, man, they go tell you as per police because they not train you now. You
know, get security background.
Please, respect yourself. We get Oga Joe here, and he can, at least in this case, I'll just give him.
He don't finish you already.
He go finish you.
Say you don't get military, you don't get background.
Finish you.
Oga Joe, continue.
What has been of that?
So wait now. So when you go pick people where you feel say when you carry them go office, if you put 1, 2, 3 questions for them, are you getting it? You go know who do what you do for that particular thing. Do you understand? So and what we know understand here is when police say make you come for station, not everybody will go station. Go court. Get something what they call screening. When you reach for office, they go screen and see, this man has no hand in this thing. They go ask him to go.
Okay, Oga Joe, make I also pick him up from where he say they go ask him to go. Apart from say, they go look person finish. So, okay, everybody say don't take that security eye watch say, okay, make we grab all these people. You can't carry all these people, go police station, come somehow investigate. Come to say maybe half of them or more than half of them no get hand for what happened. Normally, due process supposed talk say, okay, make according to police is your friend, and they talk say bail na free. But we don't see cases where we say somehow these people where they park go. No be as they park them go, they go freely come out. Most of them now their family will come, they will still pay money, take bail them when they don't commit any crime.
This one now, this is the problem where even police, IG, the CP get. If I tell you now, if you go to our SAS cell on Tuesday night, my CP went there for over 3 hours. He was screening and interrogating and interviewing people that were detained inside the cell. And after, he said, these people, tomorrow make una call una people, make they come take una for bail.
Okay.
Call your people, make they come take una for bail for yesterday, will be Wednesday. And before he waka past that place, he can't call the people. Say, if your people come and somebody say make they bring money, take my number. Call me. Let them call me. Say, this policeman say make una give him money. And that policeman who say make una give him money, go contact your position for this. Do you understand? So if I talk finish now, go for that cell. Go ask people there. Okay. Go there now. Go there now. Ask them whether CP talk something like that or not.
Okay.
So this money where some policemen they collect for the sake of bail, it is the only policeman that is collecting money for bail is a thief. Do you understand? But the point is, say, public never come out to say, this policeman say they collect money from me, and look at how much he say make I pay, and the same person where here when he say make I give him that money.
But Oga Joe, all these things now, things where we say we know we don't they play out for long. But even make our call ask you, we know all these things. Somehow every police station somehow they collect, whether they guilty or not guilty, they collect pay money, say they will go pay. See, over time we don't get IGs, then we don't do it. We don't also get the current IG way in place now. See, what to say somehow they don't know say all these things they happen. Maybe they put a strong star say make now stop all these things.
No, Oga DSP, it go good make we emphasize say like wetin you don't talk already. Wetin you don't talk, they very, very clear. Say some people, even though the Nigerian police force, they look say, make we do them like this because now waiting good. Some people still want to throw monkey hand inside the arrangement. So in order that we come begin to talk, say, we go just carry and go.
It is not the policy.
Oga Joe, make we come emphasize on this one because the truth be say, one of the reasons why we get acid hot, now sake of say, make everybody they hear the side of the story. Like you talk, perception, public perception, I say, hey, police, today we don't carry police person come, when sabi where, to come talk am, so that people go balance the two together, see say na truth. I like as you agree, say, it not be policy of police, say make anybody collect. You even give example of the commission, number one person for Lagos, when go SARS, tell them, say, he give them a phone number, even me, I don't get a phone number, he give them a phone number, say, anybody will ask you, make you call am, make we come move on now. How you think, say, police don't establish relationship with the people? When we say people see police, they no go they fear, say, hey, if I talk to this man, he say he be my friend and my helper, but somehow, what do you think say police don't do? Or what do you think say police go fit do to fit solidify the relationship between the people and the police?
You know, say, for every any division or police station where you go for this Lagos now, in short for the whole Nigeria, you get what we call the police community relations, police community relation committee. This police community relation committee, they meet every day with the DPO. And with them and the DPO, they discuss how they go make that place.
They okay.
They're okay in terms of security. And again, if as I did now, I am supposed to be the secretary of a police community relation committee for Lagos State as the PPRO. No, but you get as it be. At times with the whole meeting, at times I know they know when they hold their meeting. As I dey here now, I know go fit know.
But this work where they do now, police work.
So now in the custom. So apart from that, we they go to hold town hall meetings with community leaders. We they go to motor park. We they go to schools. Like last time during Christmas, I from one primary school to the other, I attend the inter-house sports.
Nice one.
School.
So that children self from small, who don't begin, they know say police is your friend and helper. Very good.
So you get another one where we want do, where we want tell people, the motorists, say we are their friends. But the only thing why they get problem with them is say they know they obey the traffic regulations. If they obey traffic regulations, they
wahala no go there now.
We don't go get wahala with them. We they talk to them. These motor park people, they are our number one friends. So we they go there, we they give them security tips how they go know so that this
bad people
no go carry bomb enter motor park. At times we they teach them how to use body scanner and things like that. For church, we they go church, we they give churches and the mosque some information, give them security tip. How they go make sure say these bad people no come enter their church. We they enter market with this Yanoja, I think Yanoja. We they talk to them. We they tell them waiting how they go take safeguard that place. So all these things we are doing.
Oga Joe, all this thing where you don't talk now, don't show say police work, no be just say people stand for road. Police work, no be just say people dey station. Because this thing where you don't talk, now serious work. And if I don't go lie you, this work, it hard pass bank work. To the children, market people, motorists, pedestrians, now they do the e-work well. Yes, but make I come ask one important question. When they say he go touch you, but make I just ask him.
Go ahead.
The way you don't talk, I see him say you talk, your voice even soft. Like I talk, your hand soft, but he can't be like say somehow. We don't hear instances of some police officers when we say somehow. Maybe the way when they some kind things when they take inside their body, like something when be liquid, we go come make them they behave anyhow. We get anyway when we say our police people, we get anything we want to put in place to use the ensure say okay, you be police, you they provide security. Make we get maybe like team when they police. When they make sure say police behave the right way when police behave.
What you talk now? If I go talk am for better grammar.
Okay.
We call them internal accountability mechanism.
Internal accountability mechanism. I know him. I guess it.
You know it.
I know.
What ground? No.
IAM.
No, internal what you call am?
Internal accountability mechanism.
Where you know am from?
I know go come dey talk am because you know.
Because of say you pass in front of you pass in front of military school. Now you call it. Where you get your military intelligence from? Ogajo, if this guy, anything this guy tell you, no listen to Ramo. No listen to Ramo.
We get security background.
Where from? From who give you?
Which one be who give you?
Ogajo I know, but you don't know.
Because I know where you from.
Ogajo fire on the hear you, Jare.
So
this
our internal accountability, they help. If you know, that's why this number where they give. This social media platform handles where they give. Make people they tell us how our policemen they behave for road. If you see any policeman where they steal, because this is thing that they call extortion. Now stealing. So if you get a very good information, say this man they collect money when they collect money for road, let the people authority know. If authority know, we go default them.
Okay.
That is police language. When we default them, we place them on orderly room. Okay. That is our own court.
Okay. Ogajo, may I just from there enter into this question? How will they take the fine? What will be the thin line between what will be the restriction of waiting police feed when it comes to investigate? Like for instance, you won't carry out investigation. There must be something you say, you know, go past this boundary. There will start to say, see what you supposed to investigate.
The limits.
Okay, for instance, police will they do for checkpoints. Normally, if they don't hear, say, somehow say, information don't spread that, say, you get some things where they need to secure roads for some reasons. Maybe they can't secure, can't they check people motor. See, you should notice, say, we're supposed to get in line for this kind of work, rather than say, make police they do pass within the supposed to. For instance, a typical example, make you come dey ask for papers of your motor. I don't know whether particulars.
Could be wetin we go do be say we get Oga DSP no vex. We get Oga Igo in the call us all the way from Abuja. After he take this call, you go just help us answer that question. Oga Igo, welcome to Aside Hot.
Oga Igo, good morning.
The arrival of Solomon Arase into the Nigeria Police Force don't make the Nigeria Police Force to rebrand. And the great work where the man they do with the hearing, now God will bless the man for rebranding the Nigeria Police Force. Then also the issue of the day. I want to tell our people, our viewers, where they watch, I want they listen to me say, the people need to say, this police force they work, not be crazy to their body, and blood to their body.
Yes.
Inside every work and inside Wazobia now, we get bad people and we get good people.
We know them.
And they know themselves. They know themselves. They see that they look me. Then inside police, they get bad people and they get good people.
Okay.
The problem is say, now the bad ones, if you do good one, the bad one, now they overshadow
the good ones.
The good one, they get me. So you go to say, you go enter some police station, you go see they go attend to you well. But some people they say they don't too corrupt, say that every time I'm money. So anytime when you go to see, anytime you see the way you do, you assume say they not be your friend. Me they think like because you work where they work, if the work with police they work, if you say more look it around, the money where they go collect. The money go collect because the police now everywhere they do. You believe say the police supposed to collect money past the military? You know that one. You know that country now say they be. And the police they work fast because every day they are in the street, market, church, everything they work. So make we not they condemn the police. Make we they support the police. Make we they support uniform men so that the country will see so Nigeria and we so that you go better.
Citizen Igo, thank you very much for this your contribution and the way we say you take put our police officers for better package. From Abuja, we go enter Port Harcourt. Collect this call from Oga Ezekiel. Oga Ezekiel, welcome to Aside Hot.
Yes, good morning to you.
Good morning, Oga Ezekiel. Oga Ezekiel, raise your voice up small, make we feel hear you well.
You know they hear me now.
Okay, fire on.
Good morning, first.
Good morning.
Waiting the be say that question whether police now our friend, two of us, I would say generally true. You know why? Because I know they two get one with police, but one time I don't get small case carry four of us go police. That is one time in my life.
Okay.
After some questioning for about 45 minutes, police did see the truth, and they set two of us free. The other one where they are for, they carry them, they no collect she just blame everything. But in another case, I don't hear of cases where we say police don't hold somebody for road. Maybe person they drive. As the person they don't holler the person or something, as the person introduce himself, bring his ID card, and they call other people, you can't see say the person that one big personality. They finally say, no, sorry, no, say na you. So that means say, if to say, me will be carpenter. That is, I don't die with that. Then one more case, I beg. Another thing, I don't see cases where police don't carry person. They say suspect. Nobody say the person they don't incriminate, that is suspect. They don't begin to kick the person they fall, they carry ankle, put them teeth, they carry and hit them. The person nearly died. The person they never collect statement from a business. The person waka, they think say maybe if it be one of the person for this street or whatever, but they begin to beat and blood, they come out. So,
Oga Ezekiel, thank you very much for these three ogbonge examples where you don't give down. We happy say the one where you experience directly, na good story. But we go quickly rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back with our ogbonge visitor, DSP Joe Ofo. We go continue to discuss this ogbonge topic. Police na your friend, true or false. No go anywhere, now still Aside Hot. We dey come back.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.